10. Other ways to say, I understand. 1. Got it. 2. I get it. 3. Makes sense. 4. I hear you. 5. Gotcha. 6. I see. 7. I follow you. 8. I get what you're saying. 9. I'm with you. 10. That makes sense to me. One. Got it. Very common in both speaking and texting. Example.
I'll meet you at 6 p.m.
Got it.
2. I get it. Used when you understand a situation or explanation. Example.
This app doesn't work without Wi-Fi.
Oh, I get it now.
3. Makes sense. Used when something is logical. Example.
We need to leave early to avoid traffic.
Makes sense.
4. I hear you. Used when you understand someone's feelings or opinion. Example.
This job is so stressful.
I hear you.
5. Gotcha. Short form of got you. Very common in the U.S. Example.
Don't forget to bring your ID.
Gotcha.
6. I see. Polite way to say you understand. Example.
You'll need to sign this form first.
I see, thank you.
7. I follow you. Used when you're listening carefully and understand what someone is explaining. Example.
So, first you log in, then select your account.
I follow you.
8. I get what you're saying. Shows you're not just hearing, but truly understanding. Example.
This project will take a lot of time.
I get what you're saying.
9. I'm with you. Used when you agree and understand at the same time. Example.
We should save more money this year.
I'm with you.
10. That makes sense to me. When something is explained clearly. Example.
We need to take a different route because of traffic.
That makes sense to me.